The Oak Creek Franklin School District is committed to being better every day. It's a practice called continuous improvement, and it's been implemented at globally successful companies in manufacturing, healthcare, and in schools. In continuous improvement's simplest form, it's a system called Plan, Do, Study, Act. It's at the core of what we do. In the classroom, we call it Classroom Learning Systems, and it gives students ownership in their learning.
Classroom learning systems have totally changed the culture in my classroom. I've noticed a huge difference in student engagement as they know their goals and as we're working together as a class to meet those goals.
This system has really helped me as a teacher because it's made me think a lot more about what I'm teaching students. A lot of times I know what I want them to know.
We use it to set our goals for school. So like if we're doing math, we look at our plan to see how we're doing and what we need to do and how we do it.
It helps us because we get to know like what are our expectations and then what are her expectations, and then that can tell us how can she help us, but then how can we help her teach. So that's kind of how it helps us understand what are our expectations.
We have the desk set up in a horseshoe kind of thing, so there's an inside and then an outside. And then the teacher lectures, but then there's a lot of components where she'll walk around and let us discuss as a class, as well as like giving us like more personal help during class still.
Students have responded incredibly well to classroom learning systems. One thing that I do in my classroom is PDSA Reveal Fridays, where we look at our data and we look at how the strategies that we focused on impacted learning for the week. And it's a celebration and it's something that we look forward to on Fridays. And so it's really increased student engagement.
I would say that the most notable improvement in student learning in implementing a classroom learning system has been my students' ability to articulate how they learn. They can tell me what strategies they need to use in order to improve their learning, and they actually know how to study, which has always been a difficulty in past.
We start doing the things that students suggest on the Plus Delta, like more partner work. We do a little more partner work.
It's a breath of fresh air because the lecture style is very redundant during the school day and can get very boring and hard to pay attention to, and this makes you want to pay attention.
I hope you enjoyed hearing from our students and teachers. We invite you to visit our classroom learning systems, where you'll see students working hard to manage their learning environment. You will see students actively involved in learning, rarely going off task, and working cooperatively. This is what we must create if we are to build successful futures together, and we will keep working at getting better. Thank you.